If you're getting this Vanguard error van84 with a message, an unexpected error with Vanguard has occurred and the client will now close. Now ensure that you follow these instructions very carefully and I'll guide you on how to resolve this problem. You'll get this Vanguard error from Riot Games, especially League of Legends. You'll be facing these messages a lot. Now in most cases, it's not you. The issue is on the end. Their online services sometimes experience problems, which usually happen when Vanguard is experiencing issues. That's why if you go to the down detector website for League of Legends, you can see it shows here user reports show possible problems with League of Legends. That's why you can see here there are lots of outages reported in the last 24 hours, which show that this problem occurs when their servers are down and it's not you. You'll need to wait until the servers are restored. Now, while you wait, you can try these steps. Just close the game, restart your PC, and then try to check if the issue is resolved or not. So you can just close the game that you're facing the error message. It can be League of Legends. After closing, restart your PC, and then try to check if the issue is resolved. If you're still experiencing the same issue, try disabling IPv6. Some people have reported that when they disabled IPv6 on their PC, the problem was fixed. To disable IPv6, you can press your window plus R button and then type here ncpa.cpl and then click OK. Now you'll open your network connections, choose the internet connection that you're using. Now I'm using Wi-Fi, so just select the Wi-Fi, right click on it and then select on properties. On the properties tab for your Wi-Fi, just scroll down, look for the internet protocol version 6. Make sure to just uncheck. After uncheck this IPv6, click OK. To save changes, try to relaunch the game after disabling your internet protocol version 6 and then try to check if the issue is solved or not. If you're still experiencing the same problem, try starting with admin rights. Now to start with admin rights for your programs, follow the instructions. Find the vgtray app in your program files. Just open the program files folder, then open the Riot Vanguard. Inside the Riot Vanguard, you'll see the vgtray. So let me show you. Press Window plus E. Go to this PC, now open the C, now go to program files, scroll down, go to Riot Vanguard, open the Riot Vanguard folder, you'll see this vgtray. Just right click on it and then select run as administrator. After running vgtray as administrator, now start the Riot client as administrator as well and then try to check if the issue is solved or not. So after starting the vgtray, come here to your home screen for PC, look for the Riot client, right click on it, then select run as administrator, or you can search here for the Riot client and then start it as administrator. After starting it as administrator, try to check if the issue is solved or not. But if it all fails, then you don't have to worry much since this occurs when their servers are down. So it's not you. The issue is on their end. Their online services sometimes experience problems, which usually happens when Vanguard is experiencing issues. That's why if you go to lots of forums, you can see lots of people are complaining regarding the same problem. And just after a few hours, the issue was resolved by itself. So I won't worry so much. You'll have to wait for a few hours and the issue will likely resolve by itself. But while waiting, you can try these steps. Thanks so much for watching this video and I hope this has helped you and see you next time.